Let me sit on the hood of this car without closing it. What is up, internet? I'm back in the garage. Y'all haven't seen me here on video in forever. And today, I'm gonna try to take apart the Subaru engine and see what's messed up inside, if anything's messed up inside. So, with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to Swanson's Garage. As you can see, it looks a little different in here. It's cleaner. We got the Evo in here now. We got a workbench that y'all can't see because you're on it. We got shelves y'all can't see because they're out of frame. And it's just overall cleaner space. The Subaru's outside and whatnot, so let's get to it. So I got the EJ on the engine stand right here. I'm gonna start today with taking off some of the auxiliary stuff like the coolant reservoir, the alternator, the power steering pump, and all that stuff. Maybe the exhaust system, hopefully get it down to as close to bare block today as possible. Shouldn't take me very long. It's just I'm not trying to force it or rush it, so that's the slowing factor. Alright, so guys, that took way longer than it was supposed to, but I got the engine harness out right there, as you can see, just chilling on the ground. Back over to the engine, so you can tell right here. It is not looking much different, but to me it's looking a whole lot different. Now I just have to deal with like nuts and bolts, no more stupid annoying ass clips. Those clips are so annoying for anybody who's ever done engine work, you guys know already. But yeah, back to it. So I wrapped up working on this for the night, got the fuel rails off, TVGs are still on, the exhaust is still on, got a lot of the auxiliary stuff off. They're in a bin over there right now, minding their own business. Spilled some oil so you guys can see. But what's gonna happen for the rest of the night is we're gonna actually go put this bad boy outside. We're gonna take the Beamer, which is outside, bring it inside, and that's gonna become the new project car. So we're about to take this Beamer, and we're about to take this RSX, and we're about to put that Beamer inside the garage with your RSX. So we're calling it a night here. It's 4:17 a.m. We got the whole front end off this bad boy, the front supports and all that good stuff over here. We just pulled the AC hoses and got Freon, right? Yes. We got Klingon everywhere. So yeah, this is like a danger zone, even though I'm standing here explaining to you guys how dangerous it is. While, you know, consciously breathing in all the dangers that came out of these two little pressurized hoses that my smart self forgot were pressurized. So, that being said, guys, safety note from your boy Brian, when it comes to automobiles and AC lines, make sure there's no Freon left in the lines and it's not pressurized, because I think that shit's poisonous. As you guys can see, I didn't get the engine fully disassembled, but I got most of it taken apart. Next video that you guys are gonna see, we get the headers off, get the rest of it broken down, hopefully pull one of the heads off the block and assess what inside looks like, see how those valves look. Anyways, take care, guys. Hold it down. The new video series is coming. We're working in the garage with Brian. Stay tuned. Peace.